What financial cushion should pop-up drink stands maintain? A pop-up drink stand should keep enough cash set aside to cover about 3 to 6 months of basic operating costs, so the owner never has to close early or skip paying for supplies during a slow stretch. Think of your drink stand like a little lemonade business on wheels. Some days are busy and some days nobody shows up, maybe because it rains or it gets too cold outside. If you spend every single dollar you make right away, you will not have money ready when a slow week hits or when your blender suddenly breaks. That is why smart stand owners set aside a cushion, which just means saving extra money on the side that they do not touch unless they really need it. A good rule many small food and drink vendors use is to save enough to cover rent for their spot, ingredients, cups, and any helpers pay for 3 to 6 months. Something a lot of people do not realize is that pop-up stands actually have higher money ups and downs than regular stores because weather, foot traffic, and even nearby events change sales fast, so the cushion needs to be a little bigger than what a typical shop keeps. One thing to really watch is spoiling ingredients, since fruit and dairy go bad quickly, so only buy what you can realistically sell within a few days. Another key point is seasonal slowdowns, because many drink stands earn most of their money in warmer months, so you should save extra during your busy season to cover the quieter months. Also keep an eye on equipment breakdowns, since a broken blender or cooler can shut you down fast, so always keep a small repair fund separate from your daily cash. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.